CTM stock analysis and CTM stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I am the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos made, so you know I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Castellum specifically, it's one heck of a bullish idea for me. I'm not sitting here just randomly hoping to buy. Look, with 40,000 videos in my freaking under my belt and 5 years into the game, all documented like no one else, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And you can see with CTM even, like it's documented in my Discord. Receipts are there. The only thing that I would care about is the price pulling a tad bit lower. And just like next, this is a swing one, like a swing one, but if I have the red part happen, intraday trades are all going to be biased towards the bullish side and long side. So, you know, very, very excited about that. But we are going to see first the red part must happen. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.